Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Captain Mickey Mouse for beginners. So first let's come down towards the bottom of our page, and in the center we're going to draw in a sideways oval for our nose. Moving up above this now for the base of the eye, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. For our right eye now, coming in towards the middle, we're going to arch this line all the way up towards the top, curving this back around and then in. And then we're going to leave a small gap in the center, moving over towards the left and replicating that. Moving over towards our inside line, we're going to curve this line up and then back down. Lining this up at the same height, we're going to replicate that over on the left-hand side. Now from here, let's draw in our mouth. So coming across on a diagonal, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left-hand side, lining that up at the same height. On the top, we're going to close this off with an arch line from left to right, bringing this all the way around and then back up on the right-hand side. For the mouth, on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line down, bringing that up on the right-hand side. In the middle now, for the tongue, we're going to curve this line across, starting in the center again, curving this line over. For the chin now, we're going to draw another arch line directly underneath, curving that around and then up. Let's draw in the hat on top first. So coming across on a diagonal from our eye, we're going to draw in a small circle. Let's draw a curved line from the center, arching this all the way over towards the right, just past the side of our mouth. Starting in this corner, we're going to curve this line across, bringing that down towards our left eye. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this around and then up. Let's shape in the rest of the face now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards our chin to close off the side of the face. And then we'll do the same thing moving up on the right-hand side. We're going to curve this line around, bringing that in towards the chin. On the top right-hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards our nose. And then we'll do the same thing on the left, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, starting in the corner, we're going to curve this line up and then across. And then we'll move over to the left-hand side, replicating that. Let's close off the top of the hat now. So in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Closing off the cap portion, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in towards the side of the head. Let's move up, and in the center, we're going to draw in a small oval. Stepping around that, we're going to replicate that again one more time. On either side of this now, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. And then starting at that point, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. Let's move down again. We're going to draw another diagonal line that comes out on either side. And now starting at that point, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. Moving down one more time, we're going to draw a line that comes straight across on both sides. And then starting at that point, we're going to curve this back around and then in. Let's frame in the rest of the hat now. So coming over towards the left-hand side where our circle is, in the middle, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then up on a diagonal as we come in towards the center. Starting back on that line now, we're going to continue to curve this up, bringing this down and then out on the right-hand side. And then now from here, we're going to continue to curve this around and then down. Let's draw in our left ear now. So starting on the top here, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the side of the page. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this all the way around and then in towards the side of the head. Let's step across now on the right hand side, lining this up at the same height. We're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this around and then in towards the side of the head. And that is it. That's how you draw Captain Mickey Mouse for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.